This video is about fall festive juicing and how to take advantage of the vegetables that are in season during the fall time. Yes, I trademarked my pumpkin. As I was saying in the last video, that cilantro and parsley look very similar, so you have to be careful which one you're choosing. Now in my hand, I have some cilantro, and this is what you want to use for a blood detoxifier, a blood cleanser, heavy metal detoxifier. This is really good for that. One way you can tell the difference is because cilantro has different leaves than parsley does. Look at the leaves on the cilantro. Now look at the leaves on the parsley. They look similar, but they are different. So it's easy to get them confused. Also, the number with the 9 means it's organic. So looking for fruits and vegetables starting with 9 is an easy way to tell that something is organic. See, the leaves are different than the cilantro leaves. Anytime you add apple to a juice, it acts as a natural sweetener, so you don't have to add anything else. And it's good for your heart, ba-bump, 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 ba-bump. Tilt to make sure that all juice is out of the juicer. No juice left behind. So who would have thought to add corn to your juice but me? Ha! Another way to make it sweet. They say the organs that your fruits look like are the organs that they help. The spaghetti squash looks like a womb, and the butternut squash looks like, well, you know. Instead of using your hand with a knife like I'm doing, you can use a rolling pin to hit the knife. That also is more effective than using your hand. The struggle can get real, so I'm telling you the best way. Use a rolling pin. Squash this. I don't have one handy, so I'm just making it do what it do, y'all. And I thought my ex was tough. He ain't got nothing on the spaghetti squash. Scoop the seeds out and get them out of here. With this squash, you can juice some, and you can roast some. If you juice the butternut squash by itself, it's really tasty. It tastes a lot like cantaloupe or a melon. You're gonna have a lot of butternut squash left over. So take those cubes, throw them in the juicer, and then roast the rest like I'm doing here. Pumpkins aren't just cute, they're super duper healthy for you. And you know what? You can save the seeds for roasting. Put them to the side, roast or toast later. Now typically I would not juice a pumpkin with paint all over it, but that's the only one we have, and we're going to juice that one. I'm just going to cut around it, but you can juice the skin. Skin is healthy for you. Roast your pumpkin seeds for another treat for later. You want to top it off with your greens, as you always want to have some dark leafy green vegetables in your juices. No bartending today. We're just gonna stir a little bit. So pretty and fall festive. Oh, look at the handle on that pumpkin. I like pumpkins with a really big handle.